Welcome to a new lecture integrating Google Earth Engine for data pipelines. I am Dr. Azad Rasool, and today we are digging into GE to build automated data pipelines for satellite imagery. You will create a pipeline to retrieve an image, compute NDVI, and export it as an NumPy array, setting the stage for deep learning. By the end, you run a pipeline in Colab to prepare NDVI data for CNN. Why use GE for data pipelines? Google Earth Engine, or GE, is a powerful platform for processing geospatial data at scale, like Sentinel-2 imagery. For deep learning, GE excels because it automates data retrieval, fetches imagery without manual downloads, ideal for tasks like crop monitoring. Second, supports preprocessing, filters images by date, region, or cloud cover, and computes indices like NDVI, and scales for deep learning. Streams data as NumPy arrays, ready for CNNs. Pipelines ensure efficiency for large datasets like Eurosat, enabling accuracies above 95% in land cover classification. Building a GE pipeline. A GE data pipeline involves data selection, filter Sentinel-2 imagery by region, date, and metadata, such as low cloud cover. Second, preprocessing, compute NDVI or other indices for feature engineering. Third, exporting, convert to NumPy arrays for deep learning. In today's demo, we will build a simple pipeline to retrieve a Sentinel-2 image, compute NDVI, and export it as an array, ready for tiling in CNN's workflow. Let's jump into the demo in Colab to build a GE pipeline for Sentinel-2 imagery. Open the Jupyter notebook from the course resources and follow along. This is the code. Start with the install required libraries. Then import libraries. Import EE, import GMap, and import NumPy as NP. Authenticate and initialize Google Earth Engine. Then define a function for the data pipeline. Diff create GE pipeline. ROI start date in date cloud threshold equal 10. The name of the product. We define a 1 by 1 kilometer region in Brazil and set a June 223 date range with a 10% cloud cover threshold. This configures our pipeline to fetch and process NDVI data. Check if image exists, select bands near and red, then compute NDVI. After that, convert to NumPy array. Define parameters, ROI, rectangle style, start date 1st of June 23, end date 30 June 23. Run the pipeline, image ID, comma NDVI array equal. Use the function create GE pipeline and use predefined parameters ROI, start date, and end date. Then print results. Print image ID, print NDVI array shape, and finally print sample NDVI values. Our pipeline retrieves a Sentinel-2 image, computes NDVI, and exports it as an NumPy array. The output shows a 1112 by 1081 NDVI array with the values around 0.71 to 0.73, indicating healthy vegetation. This array is ready for tiling for CNN training. Let's run the code. Executing. Click on allow the email, continue, and continue. Here, OS is not defined. We added import OS, then run the code again. The output, image ID, NDVI array shape, sample NDVI values, 0.71, 72, 0.73, 72, and 0.71, indicating a healthy vegetation. In summary, today we learned to build automatic GE pipeline for Sentinel-2 NDVI computation. You run a pipeline in Colab to produce an NDVI array. You will explore transfer learning with the pre-trained CNNs using NDVI and tile data. Action items. Run the demo notebook to execute the GE pipeline. Second, complete the assignment. Modify the pipeline for a new region. Compute NDVI and optionally tile it. Finally, take the cues to test your understanding. Let's keep advancing your geospatial AI skills.